this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to watch NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube. Let's get started. NFL Sunday Ticket gives you access to live regular session Sunday afternoon games that are out of your local market and are not being shown on your local CBS or Fox affiliate. If you want NFL Sunday Ticket together with a full live TV streaming service, you can choose the YouTube TV option. First, open the YouTube TV website in your web browser and sign in with your Google account. If you are a part of a YouTube TV family group, make sure you are using the Family Manager account. Next, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. Go to Membership section, find NFL Sunday Ticket or a bundle that includes NFL Red Zone and select Add. Follow the on-screen instructions and confirm your billing information to complete the purchase. Once you are subscribed, eligible NFL Sunday Ticket games will appear in your YouTube TV experience on game days. If you don't want a full YouTube TV subscription, you can also purchase NFL Sunday Ticket separately through YouTube Prime Time channels if the standalone option is available in your location. So that's it. This way you can easily watch NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.